Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to do for double click on particular content button or any some other places. Like see now here the simple example I'm going to show double click me to see alert. You can able to see double click then it will show us like there is a pop-up. If you click pop-up that it will close, right? Means you need to one click, it will not help you. Double click, then it will help you to get for this particular Windows pop-up, right? Now how we can able to automate this kind of things. Now I'm going to do this all operations which I used for my previous video, which is right click on content. What I done here, like get the chains and I create the chain objects because this action chains is basically it's like doing some actions. For purpose we are going to we import this one and this is our URL maximizing and time. Okay, so common things we I instated here. Then again we can able to inspect this particular button. It's a button and it is having the action. Okay, then we can able to take the copy of X path. We are not able to identify. Yes, we are able to identify that particular X path. Just I'm copying that X path. Now I'm going to use for driver dot find element by dot X path and again comma and I'm specifying for my X path here. Okay. And then in this entire X path I need to paste into one variable that is double. I'm going to mention why I'm doing like this means just we need to do some actions, right? For action place we need to give that particular variable when it is going to click for double click. Okay, now I'm going to use for actions object dot a double click. Double click it will take for that particular variable value dot a perform. A perform is the operation to do some operations like mouse clicking, and if we over that one but you have to click the element then you have to use the perform. Then it will take that particular location, it will click for that particular value and you can okay. Now we are able to came particular location and we are able to click that particular double click. Okay, but after that it will give this pop-up. How we can able to do that means we can able to give some time to wait. Okay, I can able to wait some time, then I can able to use for driver dot switch to. Even I explained for these alerts into my previous video, please go through that also. Alert dot accept. Okay, accept is the one you can able to identify for okay. Okay, if you use for text means it will get for the text from this particular alert, what a value it is presented, this particular value it will get it and it will return the value. Okay, and even we can able to store this value and we can able to tell whether it is displayed or not also. Even you can able to do the like it's here alert text equal to a driver dot a switch to dot we can able to use alert dot a text. Okay, now this will return your text value, what value it is presented, that particular text value it will return. and even you can able to print that text value, alert text. Okay, this way we can able to do this. All the operations I done into my previous video, and we done for up to accept place. Okay, now we can able to see here. Now we can able to double click, double. Now we can able to, it will launch the browser and it will maximize, and it will double click on that particular button, and then once it is max like alert button will come, then it will do alert accept. Now double click happen, then we have for our alert one, this alert one. You double clicked me, thank you. It is written, but it is not accepted. Why? Sorry. It's okay button, right? It is not delete button. The context it will get for the value, even you saw right in the console. Our main operation to accepting, but it is yes, it is now it is accepted. Just now you can able to see, right? Even it you can able to see you content clicked me, you double clicked me, thank you. Okay, this way we can even you can able to use some assert and verify this value also, you can able to do it. Okay, this is all about for double clicking for your content, a button into using our Selenium Python. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.